मैं हूं सुप्रीत and you're watching the 57th Idea Filmfare Awards 2011 Nomination Night. Look at this place. The setting, the decorations, the mood lighting, absolutely enchanting. ऐसा लग रहा है कि हम संजय लीला भंसाली के किसी magnum opus project की opulent sets पर पहुंच चुके हैं. Let's get to the red carpet and catch the superstars and rock stars of today.
It's one of the leading most awards, I think one of the oldest awards that we have here. So it always is special. I always like to participate and be a part of the Filmfare Awards in whatever capacity, sometimes as a competitor, sometimes just to host it or just be there and perform.
It's wonderful that there's a night specially for nominees, and I think it's wonderful to see nominees empowered the way Filmfare does.
It's a very, very big honor to even be nominated.
Of course, this year it's even more prestigious because I had a very important film of mine come out this year, so really looking forward to it.
It's great to be here. I think Filmfare is an award that has a tremendous amount of history.
I think in the 90s when I was like doing a lot of films, I remember coming more to the awards with Amir or with Shah Rukh and doing skits, and I've been a part of it.
For me, all this is like a part of my life, and I enjoy every moment of it.
Filmfare always rocks, whether be it the nomination party, whether it's the award night.
Feels really nice. Honored to be here and looking forward to going inside.
Filmfare has had like the strongest and I think the longest association with the Indian cinema. I'm excited, of course.
It's amazing to come here every year, so I'm just excited. I'm looking forward for the show. Yeah.
Filmfare का event होगा तो देखिए सारा जमघट होगा, Galaxy of Stars.
Filmfare is the most prestigious award function we have, and it's the oldest award. The Black Lady is the oldest.
Ooh, that's a tough one.
I don't know.
Dawn 2.
Dawn, my brother's film. I like Rockstar, and maybe Shaitan.
Dawn's done really, really well, and I mean, if it wins something, obviously I'll be very, very happy. But again, I mean, I really feel that the one I'm genuinely hoping for is for Zoya to win Best Actor.
Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara or Rockstar.
Zoya's film, she's done a fantastic job.
Best film.
Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara. I mean, truly by far my favorite film of 2011.
Zindagi mein na mile dobara.
Zindagi milegi na dobara.
I think the competition is very, very tough this year.
हम अपनी सारी expectations जोया के लिए लेकर आए हैं. जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
जिंदगी ना मिले दोबारा.
अगर बागवती को हम डालते इस फिल्मफेयर अवार्ड में, आपको लगता है उनको हम बेस्ट सपोर्टिंग एक्टर में डाल सकते थे?
I love Bags. So obviously, Bagwati is a star to me.
She's caused a national tremor. I think she deserves to be up there.
Well, I'm jealous if she is.
Best accessory का award देना चाहिए.
I think every woman will agree with you. इसको definitely supporting role में मिलना चाहिए award.
Of course, उसने इतना अच्छा act किया था, बिना बोले, बिना कुछ किए, इतना importance था उसको picture में, of course.
The amount of talk that Bagwati managed to generate, she should have got the best supporting nomination.
She had her own like van, makeup artist, and she spent a lot of her time on her own.
बहुत ही intense expressions हैं उस बागवती.
Because she has no lines, so it's all she has is her expressions.
Bagwati also got paid more than most people.
I'm voting for Bagwati completely.
I know, it's really cool that the way it's caught on.
वो अपने आप में character है.
I think so too. She really did become a character in the film, so it would have been nice, just for fun, if they're nominated and maybe cut to a picture of her really sad from having not won, storming out of the awards.
Cut to, he's already editing it all. It's all in his head.
I can't help it. We think like that.
I like Chamak Chalo. For me, I just love it. I love it. It's more desi and like.
But I like I hate you. I like that. Like I love you.
When I was in Delhi, an item or a tota or a piece, a babe is not very respectful. But lately, I started reading even guys' songs are called as item numbers, so it kind of evens out the feel. But to be really honest, I don't think it's a very educated term to use. I think each song is good. There are some party kind of songs. There are some songs where an individual performs really outstandingly well, girl or boy. And they're fun songs, they're lead songs, they're popular songs.
Don't you think I'll always have a soft corner for Dinka Chika?
Salman Khan, Dinka Chika.
I hate you.
Any particular reason? Are you going with lyrics here?
Yeah, that line, जो चौका उड़ते हुए जाए उसे छक्का कहते हैं.
It's a tough one, yeah. It's a tough one. I'll go with Salman, Dinka Chika. I really like that song.
I would say SRK.
I think Chamak Chalo because I'm a personal fan of Akon also, and I really like the song a lot. Yeah.
To be honest, I think it's Dinka Chika that gets me on my feet.
I can do all. I can do the pelvic. I can do the twist.
With that move?
She's doing a little move as well. People, please watch.
Yeah. The more the merrier. So let the boys join in and everybody have a great time.
मैं गाना गाना शुरू कर दूंगा.
भाग.
भाग.
भाग भाग डीके बॉस भाग.
बोस है क्या डीके है या किस तरफ है?
Vidya Balan for Dirty Picture, I think she's done an absolutely fab job.
I think the first name that comes to mind, Rani for No One Killed Jessica.
I think by far my favorite performance of the year was Ranbir in Rockstar.
I think it would be Ranbir Kapoor.
I'd go with Hrithik. I'm going for Vidya all the way.
Hrithik, Shah Rukh, Ranbir.
I need to make sure that I'm the most fun at this party, and I need to make fun and have a dance and do everything that is not expected of a superstar.
आज की शाम है बी टाउन सेलेब्स के नाम, लेकिन साथ ही यहाँ पे होने वाला है एक सुपर सिंटिलेटिंग फैशन शो बाय सत्य पॉल, कोरियोग्राफ्ड बाय अनु आहूजा. आप देखेंगे सम ravishing ramp models showcasing सत्य पॉल सिग्नेचर ब्राइडल फाइनरी, यानी कि शो स्टॉपिंग क्रिएशंस फॉर द ब्राइड, चाहे वो आपकी ब्राइड हो या फिर आपके ब्रदर की दुल्हन. और इस सिग्नेचर लाइन को सजाएंगे पीसी ज्वेलर्स.
Satyapol has always associated with good platforms, and what could be better than Filmfare, and this awards night is really special for us, and we're really glad to be part of it. Satyapol, in its evolution as a brand, has forayed extensively into the world of bridal wear, and we have a really nice lineup of bridal wear that we'd like to show.
जब तक फिल्मों में इंटरवल ना होना, फिल्म देखने का मजा ही नहीं आता. After all, we all need a popcorn fix, right? चलिए हम भी लेते हैं एक छोटा सा इंटरवल. तो आप भी जाइए, थोड़ा पॉपकॉर्न लीजिए, चाय कॉफी पीजिए, ठंडा शंडा लीजिए, and we'll be back before you can say 57th Idea Filmfare Awards 2011 nomination night. See you soon.
डॉन का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है.
All I can say is that was very sexy. If you remade Desi Boys, which senior actors would you cast?
Welcome back. मैं हूँ, I need no introduction, and you're watching the 57th Idea Filmfare Awards 2011 nomination night. And boy, what a night it is. The right glitterati, the buzz, the excitement, the ambience. Talking of which, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, हर कोई black lady से inspire हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Well, this crown event is sponsored by PC Jewelers, and now it's time to go back to Monica and Purab. और वहाँ पे वो लोग कुछ mad out of the box questions पूछ रहे हैं to our sizzling sirens and our macho dudes and the genius directors. तो देखते हैं कि क्या ये लोग सच्चे answers दे पाते हैं, because this is Bollywood's moment of truth.
We do have the king here with us tonight, so we're going to start with him. Shah Rukh Khan, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Shah Rukh Khan. Nominated for Best Actor in Dawn 2. I'll come up to you.
You should.
I am. Okay.
Get her here also. Young lady, please come here.
Nice
Monica.
to meet you.
Yeah. Let's do the whole interview like this, please.
I think I'm going to go backstage. Okay, we're going to make you do one line for us, Shah Rukh. Of course, there's a famous, famous line. I would love to do it myself, but of course, I'm horrible at it. So it's, of course, the Dawn ko pakadna mushkil hi nahi, namumkin hai. Can you do that line for us, please?
I'll teach you how to do this. It's very cool. You just got to go a little bass like Amit ji. Dawn ka intezar to 11 mulkon ki police.
Dawn ka
Baby, you go bass.
Dawn कहता. What? Say again.
Dawn. Take it out from your Delhi belly. Dawn ka intezar to 11 mulkon ki police kar rahi hai.
All I can say is that was very sexy.
That sounds like a different telephone call that I made. But,
Sorry.
So I'll do this in English for you.
Yeah, thank you.
They've been waiting for dawn in 11 countries.
They've been waiting.
Oh, wasn't part of it yet.
Okay. They've been waiting for dawn in 11 countries.
Farhan, this is it. We've got Donna. Dawn का इंतजार तो 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है सोनिया, लेकिन Dawn को पकड़ना मुश्किल नहीं. Everyone, quickly. नामुमकिन है. Tang 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 tang.
All right, Shah Rukh, here's your question. अगर Dawn को पकड़ने की responsibility G1 को दी जाए, तो क्या नामुमकिन मुमकिन हो जाएगा?
Don't make fun of Ravan. I take this personally. I'll jump onto that.
I was talking to G1.
Dude, I'm gonna jump onto the chair and attack you. So your question is, अगर Dawn को पकड़ने की responsibility जिम्मेदारी, हिंदी सिखा रहा है मेरे को तू? ज़्यादा कॉफी पी तूने? जीवन को अगर responsibility, I can't speak. Responsibility is a big word for me. जिम्मेदारी दी जाए, तो as Farhan has told me कि Dawn को कोई भी नहीं पकड़ सकता. Nobody can catch Dawn, not even Jeevan in his tights. And however, Dawn finds Jeevan attractive in his tights, but no. We're not going for Jeevan at all. Dawn को कोई भी नहीं पकड़ सकता. Absolutely not. You want to ask me another question?
No, absolutely.
Please ask me.
No. Please want to give you the gift hamper.
Yeah, please give me the gift hamper without asking me any more questions, please, yeah. You know, Jitesh has told me that I need to make sure that I'm the most fun at this party. And I need to make fun and have a dance and do everything that is not expected of a superstar.
All right, for now, we're just going to give you a gift hamper. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for the king himself, Shah Rukh Khan.
The next person, victim, is...
Yeah, I think Karan is talking a lot, so let's go to Karan.
Hey.
This is the moment. We are giving Karan Johar a hamper.
I have a question for you. Ready? So if you remade Desi Boys, which senior actors would you cast? Actors from yesteryear.
They were already quite senior, the ones in the movie. Oh dear. Shah Rukh, could you be more senior than them?
No, more senior than him. Come on.
More senior than them. Desi Boys. Well, I think quintessentially the most amazing man in this industry is Amitabh Bachchan. I think he's senior and he's fantastic. So he would definitely qualify to be one of the Desi Boys.
No, I agree.
And apart from him, I think Govinda. That's a good answer. It would be like the repeat. And from the same family, the Dhawan family, I think Amitabh Bachchan and Govinda from Bade Miyan Chote Miyan, there's a relation there. Yeah. So yes, so they would be quintessentially the greatest Desi Boys that you could have. Thank you, Shah Rukh.
Thank you, Karan.
I want that hamper. There's skin products in there.
I know. Will you share? No. Okay, fine. Give it up for Karan Johar. Yeah.
Okay, now it's time for Farhan. Now, of course, you're the driving force behind Dawn and you're the director of the film and all of that. So we just have one question for you कि कौन से 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस Dawn के पीछे लगे हुए? Can you name the 11 mulks?
The 11 mulks. अच्छा, वैसे एक बात मैं क्लियर कर लूँ कि अब 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस नहीं, सारी दुनिया की पुलिस डॉन के पीछे लगी हुई है. तो I'll start alphabetically. Armenia, Azerbaijan, Australia, Austria, Argentina.
भाई hamper लेके आओ.
I could go on all night. I'm still not finished with A. I'm sure there's some left. Algeria, very good. I think Shah Rukh is answering for all of us. He should keep getting hampers. Govinda. Oh no, sorry. That was the other question. Yeah, but no, there's many countries.
For Farhan Akhtar, let's hear it for him, ladies and gentlemen.
Ooh, wasn't that exciting? But hey, picture abhi baki hai. I'll see you very shortly इस छोटे से interval के बाद on the other side of this break.
Were you a man when you started watching, or was it before your manhood hit?
I think that made me realize I was a man.
Welcome back to the 57th IDEA Filmfare Awards 2011 nomination night, जहां हम आपको बता रहे हैं कि इस साल ब्लैक लेडी जीतने का मौका बीट टाउन के किस सितारे को मिलेगा। लेकिन उससे पहले let's have some Tinka Chicka fun moments with tonight's Glitterati. Are you ready?
Monica, you want to start this time?
Yeah, I have somebody I can't get to, surrounded by lovely ladies. Ranbir Kapoor. Okay, here's the question. Ready? Have you ever watched the Jungli Javani types in a theater, for real?
Yes, lots.
How many?
I grew up on it. I mean, that's how I became an actor. That's the only thing that inspired me to be an actor.
Were you a man when you started watching, or was it before your manhood hit?
I think that made me realize I was a man.
Can you take me to see one? Because I've never.
We can do Jungli Javani at home, actually, if you want.
Oh, snap!
Watch out,
okay, you win. Ranbir Kapoor wins. Okay.
Let's hear it for Ranbir Kapoor.
Thank you so much.
All right, we're going to move on to the beautiful Juhi Chawla. Juhi, can you say something for us in Kashmiri?
Should I say it in French instead?
Okay.
Or
We'll give
Russian?
because you're Juhi Chawla, we'll
Or
give
Chinese?
you that. No, but you did learn Kashmiri for I Am. And that's, of course, one of your nominations this year.
Yes.
Can you say something for us? Something from maybe a dialogue from the film.
Okay, Shahrukh, how about helping with this as well? Kashmiri aati hai?
चिपके ख्वागा यारान दी पिखोर तर हर दियार खा.
That was what? Arabic?
Can all the Kashmiris please stand up?
Yeah. Any Kashmiri say, Dil ama dag dag shud pamba kuja kuja naam. I can go.
It sounded like Marathi actually. Tuja tuja naam.
Thanks.
No, but please do say something in Kashmiri from the film I Am.
वही तो यही जो इन्होंने बोला ना, just imagine that in my voice. That was it.
All right, let's hear it for Juhi Chawla. Can we give her a hamper, please? Can we have all the nominees please come up on stage?
I won Best Debut for my first film. I'm nominated for Best Director now, so it would be great fun to win it for the second film.
This is the first Balaji production that has gotten so many nominations. Once upon a time in Mumbai also did, but the Dirty Picture's gone a step ahead. And even Shore in the City has gotten a few nominations.
It feels great. मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि मतलब मैं nominated हुआ हूँ, Hrithik is nominated, Abhay is nominated, Kalki is nominated. It would have been nice if Katrina was nominated as well.
It was fantastic, especially the last part. I really enjoyed because everybody was doing a lot of drama on the stage, and especially Shahrukh.
Well, lots of wonderful people, lots of great energy. तो ये था हमारा super special presentation, the 57th IDEA Filmfare Awards 2011 nomination night. हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि हमारी तरह आप भी excited होंगे ये जानने के लिए कि इन nomination में actual award night पे किसे मिलेगी the dazzling, sensational Black Lady. We would like to also thank PC Jewelers for being the ground sponsors for this event tonight. And for now, this is नाम तो आप जानते ही हैं. Until we meet next, keep watching Zoom, India's #1 Bollywood channel.